Okay. Uh-uh. Pimp 101 always go for the big one, the little one, I love you. We going to the mall. I want to check it in, check it out. Oh, single mother, nice hips. Oh, brother, better watch your weight, girl. You heard? This is Central Pattaya Mall. Now, this mall is deceptively large. Pause. That was crazy. Look at my nigga J Money. Yeah, son. Hold the door for me, son. You heard? Alright, we in this joint. This nigga went in the mall with the suitcase. this nigga do? He just stopped right there. This nigga about to shoot this shit up. He got the signs of a mass shooter. Alright, what's poppin' in here, J Money? You made me walk to this stupid ass mall, man. All this shit in here is fake. From my understanding. Now, I don't know. Some of the stores got official signs. Like, you'll see some official signs we see back home. Oh, man. But I don't know. I get this feeling like that pudding look good. Salute to Bill Cosby. What's going on with this? Snacks. Salute to Flyboy. Flyboy, these the real snacks, Flyboy. Like J Money all in my view. And I told y'all before, when y'all with another content creator, you will notice that they always cutting off your shots. It's crazy. I don't know why that keep happening. Alright, we on the whatever floor. See, like these stores look official, but then you gotta ask yourself, what's the difference between these stores and the downstairs stores? Look, more single mothers. Y'all better stop leaving babies out there. Y'all niggas is wildin' for respect. Like, I don't know, but it's clean though. Look, to all you popping YouTubers, jump right there. At that point, just jump. Jump right there. Oh man, we about to get some Korean chicken. I mean, it ain't better than, Mom Dude's grandma, your older sister type. But it was slapping. The chicken was slapping. Korean fried chicken is
iPhone I lost yesterday. Okay. Oh, it's a WhatsApp or no, my number is 808.
I not hit your number.
Look, son, J Money done bagged a nigga John in front of him. He said, let me give you my number. She said, no, I want his number. That's crazy. J Money was magging at the mall, but I don't know what this is. That's why I did that replay. Help me out in the comments. Now, this store was cool. I needed to go in there to get an accessory, but I bought some of these for the fam. Look at J Money. Look at this nigga macking again. He gassing her up, talking about he about to buy a condo. She's selling condos for a building that's not built. Look at him. Look how serious he is. Check him out. Look, check him out. This how he bagged the hoes too. Look, this how he be. Michigan player. This is the building. And I'm thinking the whole time, where's the fire escape? Shit crazy. Like, I don't even know where we at right now. We going upstairs, downstairs. This shit got like 9 floors. You heard? I think we on the 9th floor at this point. Look, we in the VR arena. Red versus blue. Ain't that ironic? Now we going back downstairs. And look, what's the difference between these clothes and the clothes upstairs is all I'm saying. I mean, when you get to a certain age, you kind of just don't care anymore. You more worried about IRAs and retirement and life insurance and stuff like that. So we in this section right here, right? And this little cutie walked up to us and said, y'all from America. Y'all don't want none of this. Let me show y'all the real stuff. So she take us to this secret back room. The John had like 3 doors. I looked at J Money and said, bro, you sure you want to go in there, bro? Look at Guapo. You sure you want to go in there? Now, this is apparently less fake than the other fake stuff we've seen. Yo, Tyler crazy. What's the difference? It all look the same. So yeah, we playing this shit. But what if she would have ran out and locked J Money and I in that motherfucker? That would have been some shit. All right, we spinning. I was about to bag her, but I seen 2 drinks. Pay attention, good fellas. She was waiting for somebody. Gotta pay attention. Now J Money about to get some shades or something.
Like those parties.
Only like Ray-Bans, buddy.
Now the first time I ever met J Money many years ago in Sosua, he had this video called Half Price Hustle. Master negotiator. Look at him though. Look, he negotiating. He trying to sell me shit. Man, you should be focused on J Money, son. Half price hustle, you heard? Look how he do it. Look at my look at my Michigan player. Look. Like he already tried those on. See, oh look, he pulled out a mirror on him. Look, he trying to do it. He just can't do it because he not speaking Spanish. If this was a Spanish-speaking country, J Money would have got it. Whatever he want. Facto.
Alright, we out here on Beach Road. Ray Guapo Dritty. I lost the integral part of my cinematic setup, you heard? But we about to get something to eat, and we gotta go look for that specific piece. It is hot. It's hot. I look mad. I'm dressed wild right now. I got a V-neck shirt on for one, an old Dream Chasers hat, Mika Little Suspect, and I got these tight ass shorts on, so I ain't gonna hold y'all niggas. J Money turned around and said, yeah, nigga, you do these shit stink. And yeah, so we gonna get something to eat, check the vibes. Yeah, facto. Hold it down, good fellas.